Hello, hi, greetings, and salutations, friends. Now, today's reading isn't something that's new. It's something that I've been seeing for a few months now. But regardless, I think the curiosity has got the best of me, which I know I feel like it's a sob of some kind. But the way that these people are acting is, some of them you can tell are actors, but some of these people are like downright terrified, and like that Tiffany Gomez. I don't think she was she wasn't the same person. I'll put it to you that way. It's not the same chick playing the part, if you will. So I just wanted to see what was up with that. My curiosity's got the best of me now. All right, demons and planes. What is the truth behind this situation? Okay, I said on my questions. What are people being shown, or what are they seeing? What is the purpose of this? How to protect yourselves in something unknown about this situation. All right, first question. The truth when it comes to demons and planes. Now, this is the return receipt in reverse. This indicates delays in closure, unresolved issues, um, avoidance of responsibility. It's also an unwelcome reckoning that is required to move forward. So, just to get a little clarification here. Zombie in the reverse position. This is a sign of an awakening. Okay. So this is supposed to be an awakening. So what are people being shown, or what are they seeing? Surprise. This is a sudden, unexpected event. It's one that leaves a profound mental and emotional impact. Now, it also signifies a moment of shock and revelation. So, are they really seeing demons? No, and it's also the deception card. Hidden truths, manipulation, appearances that are misleading. It's illusions crafted to obscure the truth. So, what's the truth that's being obscured here? Mixologist. That's confidence in the ability to adapt. Now, this is either in a personal endeavor or social interactions. That's what they don't want us to be able to do. They don't want us to be able to adapt. So, um, next question, which is, what is the purpose of this? Now, this is going to be the poster reversed. That's self doubt, fear of judgment. So this is pretty much just a feeding frenzy off of energy. Is this a fear mongering energy spot for feeding? Yes. Yeah. Um. The next question: how to protect ourselves? Now this is going to be browsing history. That is self discovery, curiosity. It revealing deeper truths about who you are and what drives you as a person. It's also acknowledging, accepting, and being at peace with hidden desires. So, this is how you protect yourself. Is high on the list here. And something unknown about this, of course, Big Pharma. Big Pharma is represents the influence of external systems. Now, these external systems are ones that rely on um, institutional struggles, like to address deeper issues or structures. It's going to be power of industries. I just fucked that up. What is this? 325. Remember 325, okay? This is influence of external systems. Now, these systems are ones that rely on institutional structures that address deeper issues. Now, it's power of industries, institutions, authority figures. Now, these being the ones that are shaping your decisions. Now, this card comes with an urgency to caution about who and what you trust with your well being, pretty much. Now, last but not least, are these people really seeing demons, or are these people actors playing a role? Well, well, well. Stolen identity. That is a compromised situation, one that causes internal doubts by external forces. Now, this is also a card of deception, manipulation. It shows issues of trust and betrayal. All right, so all this jazz on these planes are people that are paid actors. They ain't seen any demons. They ain't seen any morphine, whatever. These people are just fear mongering, stirring up fear to harness your energy to buffet it. And there you have it. So next time you're on a plane and you think you see a demon, make sure you buy it a drink. Have a great day, y'all.